coming back to the women piece that you talked about, Aalok, there is this whole narrative which says that only if you are earning, then you're protecting the loss of income. And the general feeling or belief is that if you're a homemaker, therefore, so it's one that any woman who is listening to this in your family, you must push the rest of the family to protect the income, whoever is the earning member, whether it's the woman or the man. But do you also believe that even for homemakers, because there is an intrinsic value they bring to the table, it may not be, on a day-to-day basis quantified, but there is an economic value as well. Do you think it's important even for a homemaker, therefore, as a family, to say that I must take an insurance also?
Absolutely. In fact, I'll try and relate this to a business situation. We all run businesses. We have something called a key man policy, right? In my view, for a family, the housewife, who may not be an earning member, is the key person.
Right.
So to ensure that the family prospers, not only in the day-to-day living, but also future planning for the children and everything else, children plans, investment plans, she should be a participant in those decisions. And not only that, she should therefore ensure that there's a policy on her as well, because take the role of a key man. So absolutely, I think women actually are working and believe that being a housewife is not a job, is not right. But there is a value, an economic value that she brings to the family, and therefore she should certainly go for protection. And I think forget about the investment plans. First and foremost, take the protection plans, because that will ensure that the family is hale and hearty if she is not there.
Or perhaps the critical illness.
Yeah. Right. So I think
those could be very critical, because a disease is not going to differentiate between man and woman, right?
Yeah, critical illness is an area of gap in the industry, and we have to educate people that with such small amount of money, they can really increase their covers, and therefore important that women should start participating in these decisions, and also insist that they buy out on themselves. So yes, as I said earlier, we have to educate women. They are actually amenable to much more education, and they are more emotionally balanced. I believe men will spend more, women will save more, and therefore they will create an ability for their family to save more and therefore also protect the family that much better.